First is sleep, right? And most underrated thing, especially in the in the world of hustle and work hard and trying to achieve a lot of things. A lot of people talk about compromising sleep, but if you look at, or if you read autobiographies of a lot of books of a lot of people, and a lot of entrepreneurs who go ahead and talk about their daily routine, one thing is very common: they take good 6, 7, 8 hours of sleep. You don't have to count it. It depends upon how much sleep is rightly suited for you. They have built an entire schedule and a set of habits when they are awake, right? For whatever time they are awake, 16 to 18 hours, but they have a fixed time of sleeping. So sleeping is definitely one of the most important thing. And the reason sleeping is important, because it not just revitalizes you and detoxifies you, but you talk about anything, fat burn, immunity system repair, skin and hair growth, right? Any injury that you have, right? It goes through a repair and healing, right? All this process happens, muscle growth, everything happens while you're sleeping. It's not, when you say that, you're growing muscles, building muscles, it doesn't happen in the gym. Yes, gym is an important aspect to, wear and tear your muscles, but unless it repairs while you sleep, it won't really, grow, or, you'll not achieve your fitness goals. So number one is sleep. Next is nutrition. Now, when I say nutrition, it's obviously not what has been preached us, right? It's primarily the basic nutrition, right? Like rice, dal, sabzi. It's primarily keeping it simple, as simple as possible. You eat dal, you eat ghee, everything which is homemade is healthy. Oil has never been a problem. Wrong kind of oil has been a problem. Rice has never been a problem. Overeating of rice has been a problem, right? So when it comes to nutrition, that's again the second important piece. Keep it as simple as possible. Listen to your body, right? Like, if I'm eating rajma chawal, it may not suit you. If someone is eating coconut oil, it's one of the best oil. It may suit me, it may not suit others. Listen to your body. We have genes which carries years of information, and it responds according to that. So I think the second one is nutrition. And I think third one is, obviously it's workout, but not overdoing workout, right? You should only work out up to a point. First of all, it has to be regular, right? You do it 20 minutes, 25 minutes, but if you're able to do about 5 to 6 times a week, it's more than sufficient. But then can you do it, for 3, 4, 5, 6 months straight, every single day, 20-minute workout? Can you do that? And then when you do that, right, it's not that, you find a day and you do it in the morning, next day you didn't find in the morning, you're doing it in the evening. It doesn't work that way. You find a, dedicated time in the morning. This is my 1 hour slot within which I have to find a 20-30 minute slot and I have to do the workout. So I think these are the 3 pillars which I always, endorse everyone, that focus on sleep, have the right sort of nutrition, you get rest so that your nutrition kind of, helps while you are repairing, while you're sleeping, and then obviously work out.